How to create account on Crunchyroll. For that, first of all open your app store on your device. Then on the searching bar, search for Crunchyroll. And there you will see get option, simply tap on it. Once it is installed, you will see open option. Simply tap on it to open Crunchyroll application. From there, if you have already account, then simply hit on the login and then enter your email and password. If you want to create account, then there you will see create account option. Tap on it, add your email address and password and simply hit on the create account button. After doing that, you are good to go. You are successfully logged in to Crunchyroll account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.